It's a test where you tie a rope around the keel and you lift the keel with a crane. The boat, you lay it down at 90 degrees. And from there, you can take a measurement on the mast, which will give the center of gravity of the boat.
Yeah, it's part of the IMOCA Rules, and yeah, we're just taking some photos and making sure everything's good to go sailing. Happy days. Beautiful day here in L'Oreal.
Okay, you are all ready? Are you okay?
Yeah.
Yeah.
We need to have the centre of gravity low enough that the boat